Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to recover unsaved file in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, first thing that you do is to simply go and open the Illustrator on your PC. Then you want to go and click on Edit. Then you want to go and click on Preferences. After you click on Preferences, here you have this option, File Handling. Once you go to File Handling right here you should check the first option, check the first box, automatically save recovery data, and set this to 30 seconds. So here it will be 2 minutes by default. You just have to click on this arrow beside it, then choose 30 seconds. And by this way, it will do like automatic saving every 30 seconds. So in this case, you will not actually lose your files again. After you finish, click on OK. And now go and close the application. Then you want to click on Windows plus R or Command plus R. Then you should search for this option right here, percentage app data percentage. After that, go and click on OK. You want to go and select Adobe. Then you want to go to Adobe Illustrator settings. Just right here, Adobe Illustrator 28 settings. Then you want to go and choose the language. Then you want to go and click on X64. And finally, go to data recovery and you will find your file just right here. Now, the cause why it is empty right now, because I have just now enabled the option. So it didn't spend me the time needed to recover or save the project. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.